This Coldwell Banker Bullard property video is presented by Susan Conti. Fully refurbished home with $65,000 and updates done in summer 2021 plus 24 by 36 separate. Building with separate AC unit and plumbed half bath. Multi-use space can be home office, workshop, rec room, or retreat man cave, your choice. List of upgrades in house too many to post here. Huge lush yard with extended patios and driveway. SPACE.ROOM for RV on separate.pad site next to workshop, must-see property. Unique opportunity. Whitewater School District, sold as is, with many improvements. For more information, review the details below or contact Susan Conti at 770-254-0079.